Robo Finger with living skin, Cybertruck, flying jet motorbike, and Volo Connect are revolutionizing the robotic world. In today's video, we will throw light on all these new inventions. Robo Finger. Chinese scientists have been developing a robotic finger covered with live skin, a significant advancement in bringing the world closer to genuinely human robots. This robot finger can feel things by itself, building a bridge between living things and machinery. For making this robot finger, scientists first filled the cylinder with the collagen and dermal human fiber and gave them the shape of the finger, then covered it with the layer of connective tissue and then applied a layer of human epidermal carotenoid cells. Before this, these cells were used in reconstructive surgery. When they tested the finger, movement of the finger was both in the forward and backward direction because of the wrinkles on the finger. These wrinkles served as the joints in the activity. If injured, this artificial skin has the ability to self-repair just like in humans. This project is still in progress, but the researchers face problems convincing the rest of the world that these real-skin robots will not terrify people. TeslaBot. Musk stated last year that Tesla would have a working prototype by the end of 2022, and the CEO recently stated that the company hopes to begin production of the robot in 2023. This is a highly ambitious timeline for such an ambitious project, but Musk has repeatedly stated that it has become a priority. The CEO said in January that Tesla is prioritizing the development of the Optimus humanoid robot in 2022 over other products. Tesla intends to build the robot using its existing power electronics and batteries for electric vehicles and to give it a brain using its AI expertise. Musk stated that the robot would first be programmed to perform simple and repetitive tasks, such as those found in Tesla's manufacturing operations. Tesla intends for the robot to improve over time and be capable of a broader range of tasks, making it useful for commercial and consumer applications. If the project is successful, it has the potential to have a massive economic impact, which explains why Tesla has shifted its focus to it. Musk has recently claimed that the humanoid robot project could help make artificial general intelligence, or AGI, a reality. On September 30th, we will learn a lot more about that. Cybertruck. The exterior shell of the Cybertruck is designed for maximum durability and passenger protection. Starting with a nearly impenetrable exoskeleton, every component, from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel structural skin to Tesla armor glass, is designed for superior strength and endurance. The Tesla Cybertruck appears to have been dropped off by an alien race, but it is capable of competing with all the top-selling pickup trucks. Tesla's all-electric truck has a sharp-edged exterior made of scratch and dent-resistant stainless steel. The Cybertruck, available with all-wheel drive, can tow up to 14,000 pounds and has an estimated driving range of 500 miles or more, while that only applies to the most expensive model with multiple batteries. P2 Speeder, a flying jet bike. You could compare the P2 Speeder to a simple sports bike without the wheels if you want. The vehicle is outfitted with 8 CO2-powered jet engines. There is also the option of using environmentally friendly aviation fuel. It could also be used as a means of industrial cargo transport with the ability to fly in cargo mode for 400 miles or 644 kilometers at speeds exceeding 500 miles per hour or 805 kilometers per hour and carrying loads weighing up to 1,000 pounds. According to the manufacturer, the commercial version of the model will be capable of reaching speeds up to 805 kilometers per hour. At the same time, the company emphasizes the high level of safety provided by a proprietary onboard system. It is in charge of balancing the traction in the event of engine problems. P2 Speeder is used by the military, rescue, and police forces. However, the company does not consider the possibility of the flying motorcycle being used in other areas. NASA Lunar System. The Space Launch System, or SLS vehicle, was taken to Pad 39B at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida for a dummy countdown. It was designed to be more powerful than the Apollo-Saturn vehicles of the late 1960s and early 1970s, standing just under 100 meters tall. It will have enough thrust to send astronauts far beyond Earth and enough equipment and cargo for those crews to stay away for extended periods. While NASA is working on the SLS, Elon Musk, an American rocket entrepreneur, is working on an even larger vehicle at his Texas R&D facility. He refers to his massive rocket as the Starship. It, like the SLS, has yet to take to the skies. Unlike SLS, Starship has been designed to be completely reusable and thus should be significantly less expensive. According to a recent audit of NASA programs by the Office of Inspector General, the first 4 SLS missions would each cost more than $4 billion to execute, a sum described as unsustainable. Volo Connect. The Volo Connect is an electrically powered aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing. It is more than just a multi-rotor system. It is powered entirely by electricity and employs a hybrid lift and push design. The German company is working on it. It has 8 individual motors, 6 connected to free propellers that generate lift, and 2 to ducted propellers that provide forward thrust. The main high wing is supported by 2 outriggers for the 6 VTOL propellers. The Volo Connect is a lift and cruise aircraft for missions outside cities and suburbs. The lift of the Volo Connect is generated not only by propellers, as is typical of volocopters, but also by its wings. This is more energetically beneficial. The stern has a V-shape. Its 6 rotors facilitate vertical takeoff by minimizing moving parts, while 2 electric fans, in conjunction with uplift creating wings, ensure high forward speeds. Its prototype is undergoing a rigorous series of flight tests to ensure that the aircraft and its systems are within performance limits and ready for further development. During the campaign's first 3 test flights, the team verified a significant portion of the eVTOL's envelope with forwarding speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and sideward flights of up to 28 miles per hour. Pizzaiola. Pizzaiola is a fully robotic pizza maker that can produce up to 50 pizzas per hour, offering customers various customized options and styles ranging from Chicago to Neapolitan and everything in between. Most importantly, this model enables kitchens to seamlessly add fryers, grills, and other food-making and prep stations within the same 144-square-foot area, allowing them to offer additional menu items such as fries, burgers, wings, salads, pasta, and more. Pizzaiola has 35 topping and cheese options, 5 dough types, and 4 sauce varieties. The entire pizza production process is automated with no human intervention. The one-arm AI robot chooses and presses the dough, then adds the toppings and sauces before cooking, slicing, and boxing the pizzas. Robotic crop harvester. MeadowMotion is an Israeli company that has combined robotics, mechanical design, and artificial intelligence, or AI, to create an autonomous robotic platform that can automatically harvest tomatoes grown in greenhouses, saving high operational and labor costs. It plans to begin selling its products this year after receiving funding from governmental and corporate sources in Israel and Europe. The harvester comprises an autonomous guided vehicle, or AGV, multiple robotic arms, an advanced vision system, and a proprietary harvesting component tailored to the harvested fruit or vegetable. The mechanical harvester is expected to reduce damage while increasing efficiency. Currently, 30 to 50% of total costs in greenhouse farming are labor-related. Still, MeadowMotion estimates that with 1 human operator required to monitor up to 5 robotic harvesters, greenhouse farmers could save up to 50% in harvest-related costs. Robot manicure. The most problematic aspect of getting your nails done is sitting in a salon chair for 45 minutes. A nail-painting robot could be the answer. Clockwork, a San Francisco-based nail tech startup that debuted in March this year, has recently relocated to New York's Rockefeller Center. The machine resembles a large espresso machine with a cushioned armrest and chair in front of it. To begin, select a color and place your hand on the device. Rest your arm on the cushions to stabilize your hand while doing nail art. Moreover, it is not so costly that one can frequently change their nail art. That's all for today's video. We hope that you'll find it quite fascinating. If you enjoyed watching our content, hit that like button at the left and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any new videos from us. We'll see you again.